Hello students, welcome to our online class. I am Braj Mohan Tiwari, your English teacher. Today I am going to teach you English literature section 3 and the title of the poem is Tartary. But before I start my teaching, I would like to give brief introduction of the poet. This poem is composed by Walter de la Mare. Walter John de la Mare was born in 1873 in United Kingdom. He died in 1956. He was an English poet, short story writer and novelist. Walter lived between cults of two movements, that is end of romantic period and beginning of modern period. Therefore, he has been reckoned as a modern poet with romantic imagination. Tartary is the historical name of a region of indefinite extent in East Europe and Central Asia. The name brings to mind a fabulous space of legendary monarchs. In this poem, Tartary seems to be a land of dreams and happiness. टार्टरी पूर्वी यूरोप और मध्य एशिया में एक ऐतिहासिक नाम है, ऐतिहासिक जगह का नाम है. द नेम ब्रिंग्स टू माइंड ए फेबुलस स्पेस ऑफ लेजेंडरी मोनार्क्स. यह नाम अर्थात टार्टरी हमें महत्वपूर्ण लीजेंडरी मोनार्क्स यानी प्रसिद्ध राजाओं का याद दिलाता है. इस कविता में टार्टरी खुशी और स्वप्न के प्रदेश के रूप में प्रतीत होता है. द समरी ऑफ द पोएम इज एज फॉलोज. इन दिस पोएम द पोएट इमेजिन्स हिमसेल्फ टू बी द मास्टर ऑफ दैट ग्लोरियस वंडरलैंड कॉल्ड टार्टरी. In this way, he tried to satisfy his unfulfilled desires in a real life. The poem is a journey into the realm of imagination. The land of Tartary has been painted as a very far off, charming and ideal place. It is a beautiful, rich and fertile land full of unseen and unheard of delights. Like a mighty king, the poet wishes to have an ivory bed and golden throne. His court will be decorated by beautiful creatures like peacocks. His forest will be full of tigers and his pool will contain big fish. He would rule over men and animals alike. As Lord of Tartary, he would enjoy great pomp and show in his everyday life. The poet also wishes to wear dresses of royalty. Early in the morning, he would dress up like a king and his carriage would be ready to ride with 7 Javraj. Such heavenly place he would get the dream of his life. The night at the Tartary would have been more charmed than the day. There would be glowing colorful lights which would illuminate his palace. The dancers would please him with their dance. In fact, the poem is a beautiful piece of art by Walter de la Mare. यह कविता वाल्टर डी ला मेयर की एक बहुत ही सुंदर कला का उदाहरण है. इस कविता में कवि एक राजा होने का कल्पना करता है. वह राजसी तड़क भड़क और दिखावा में विश्वास करता है. इस कविता के माध्यम से कवि कल्पना लोक का दर्शन कराता है. I would like to suggest you that read the poem and try to understand the meaning. Find out difficult word meanings using a dictionary. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye.